All right, everybody, day 2, collector's market. Dylan, let's see how we do. So yesterday, we sold the Masaki Golem promo, Japanese. Didn't show the camera. My bad, it was a crazy deal. How we going? What's catching your eye?
Packs that I shouldn't buy. It's a bad financial history.
Sometimes not. Sometimes not. This little girl yesterday was looking for the prismatic box with the figurines in it.
Yeah.
They found one.
Yeah.
They come back, they go, you wouldn't believe what we pulled from it. And she pulls the Umbreon out. What are we looking at, fellas?
Just looking at you.
Those are all signed by Veronica Taylor. Yeah, I got them done in the States, so they all come with JSA as well. How you going, man?
Yeah, good man, how you going?
Good. Does she want a free card?
You want a free card, Dolan? Which one do you want, Dolan? You choose. You want that one?
There you
Thanks,
go.
man. Appreciate it, eh?
It's a full Magnemite like that. That is so good.
That's
It's
sick.
all Magnemite and the evolutions. That is so cool.
All right, we got the big dog himself, Mitch, coming to buy some vintage.
As long as you got it.
If I've got it. Yeah, that's pretty much just like,
Under 10 and stuff.
yeah. Yeah, the further it goes back, the cheaper it gets.
Yeah. Alright, I need. Let's see if they're in here.
Those?
Yeah.
No.
What about base
No.
sensor? What about a
No.
non-bloke? Alright. Thanks for your help, appreciate it.
All right, Mitch bought nothing. How you going, mate? Good, good.
I just got one Brilliant Stars, one Chilling Rain.
All right, bro.
Thank you, sir. Thanks very much.
No worries, bro. Thank you. Guys, we've sold almost all of our Fortnite cards. We've got 2 packs left. You guys having a good day?
Yeah. The first one, so it's a bit overwhelming, to be honest.
Yeah?
Lots to see. Yeah.
Did you guys collect much?
He started to.
I've been giving out free cards. Do you want to choose one?
Wow.
Yeah, you want that one?
Thank you.
No worries. There's another show next Sunday.
Yeah, Brisbane.
Brisbane, yeah.
Yeah, but the R&A. Is it pretty much like this one?
Yeah, but it'll be all cards.
All cards.
Yeah, 200 booths of just cards.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Far out. That's a lot.
Yeah.
How do you compete with that though? Like, you got so many people. You're trying to sell cards the same as the person next to you. Like, how do you go?
I mean, I've done it before. I do okay.
Yeah. What
you-
differentiates you from the others?
You just got to hope that you don't have exactly the same stuff, and then pricing as well.
Yeah.
You might go to a booth, go, okay, that guy's got $400 in that card, 2 booths down, dude's got it for $300.
Oh, right.
That kind of. Or you go, oh, that's a reasonable price.
Yeah.
I'll come back, and then you come back later and it's gone. So it's hard to.
Yeah, okay.
How you going, guys?
Yourself?
Good, good.
What grab? Champ?
Yeah, bro, of course.
All good?
All yours, brother.
Thanks, bro.
Have a good one. You too.
How we doing?
Good, thank you.
Good?
Sorry, I was just drinking.
Hey, no stress.
How are you guys?
Just walked in, so we'll see how we go.
Just walked in?
Yeah. Busy
Free-
this morning?
Free card?
Day.
No worries.
Yeah, good job. Been busy this morning?
It's had its moments.
Yeah.
It's waves, right? I was standing here doing nothing, turn around, turn back around,
Running up.
everybody.
Yeah.
How many spicy level X's do you have?
Sorry?
How many level X's around there, bro?
Nah, dude. Bro, as soon as I even take in anything like that, it's gone.
Yeah.
I wish I could keep them. All right, we sold Denny's PSA 10 Umbreon Pokeball Reverse. Went out to a lovely girl buying it as a surprise for her boyfriend. I did not show the camera again.
Can I get 151 pack?
151? I'll give you that one. I'll grab some change. There we go. Back again. Mum's gone for a walk. I'm just selling Danny's stuff like crazy. She's killing it. Hey, baby, how going? Good, good. Just thought I'd let you know all the tote bags are gone. Your Pixie palette is going crazy. All right, baby, I gotta go. Love you too, see ya.
I'll grab one of your Sended Heroes packs.
Sended Heroes, bro.
Lovely.
No worries, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah, bro. Mrs. just out of hospital, so came here on the Friday to help set up. I was like, she's a thug. She crazy. She's gangster. All right, we've just made a deal with the homie. He's taking the sealed case of Prismatic, and I'm taking the money.
Legend.
All right, brother. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Got the show we had as well, bro.
Literally
your
ordered
brother.
the hat the other week.
Oh, it could be my brother.
Could be your brother.
Could be. We were both very
We're
handsome,
almost,
so-
look, I'm going to get homie to run the booth in the next show. No one will know the difference.
He'll do it too. He'll do it too.
Well, I'm his mother.
I thought you were his sister.
Hello.
One of the temple ministers packs.
I got 2 packs if you want the last 2.
Just one.
Just one?
Thank you.
No worries. All right, guys, we're doing some buying. Let's see what this guy's got. We don't want one piece though. We want Pokemon.
Did you see the Pokemon?
That's nice. I want the Lilligant.
Oh, you want the other one too?
Yeah. Today's been a long day. We've got 10% left on the video. Let's see how we go for the rest of the afternoon, but it's getting pretty quiet.
Quick before my wife gets over here.
Oh, okay. Before the what? Hi, Mitch.
Hello.
So we got the Pokemon trading card.
Yes.
So,
Thank you. Phantasmal Flames, UPC.
yep.
Yep.
Just warning, choking hazard.
Yeah, I'll let my my son's 3.5, so I'm good.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah,
You're
thank
safe.
you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Okay. No, that would take it off.
Press something then.
I did not.
I don't think she did, mate. I was
No, it's
watching.
cash payments only.
Oh,
Oh, did it?
I still think it was his fault.
I agree with you. Come in, Mitch. Mitch is the new owner of the...
Phantasmal Flames, UPC. Thank you so much. Sold. Way to marshmallow, mate.
All right, guys, we've got 1% left. Enoch has come and he's picking up the Eevee, Zapdos, and the Pichu. All right, bro.
Appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a receipt now?